What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Emotional, and guess what?
I'm bad, and I'm better than ever.
And we are back at it for another reaction video. This is Diana Ankudinova, Blizzard. Now, this is a request y'all been giving me, so we about to go ahead and dive straight into it. Like, comment, subscribe. Now, baby, let's vibe. Hit the button, baby.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
Real quick, it was a part right here. Right here.
И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
I love the reverb right there. And the drums, like, it makes it like this really intense moment. Oh no, it's not, I don't think it is the drums. It's like I don't really know what it is. It kind of just gives it like this intense feeling, like almost like a heartbeat type situation. Interesting. Okay, is that a moon on the ground, or am I tripping? Or is that just a regular circle? I don't know. I don't think it was supposed to be the moon. Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. I don't know. But that's kind of what I got from like looking at the screen. Okay. I love the reverb, right? I love the reverb that they're doing. And then it's like she's almost like, what's the word? It's like her voice, it's like she's really like manipulating her voice to where it's shrinking back, but then kind of coming to the front. It's kind of like it's like waving, if that makes sense, like a wave type situation. Like, hold on. It's like it'll start like, it's like you know what I'm saying? It's like it'll start in the front and then shrink back, and then it's like, it's the control for me that's getting me with that one. I love the reverb.
В тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо.
That girl is cold. Do it again, please. Do it again, please. Do it again. I love again, first for the lighting to time it right. Then it's like, what's the word? Like her in the performance thing, like when she can perform, like she really gets into that, almost like getting into character, right? And then it's like let me see. I love how she also is like the not really falsetto, but is it falsetto? No, for her. Because I know she has a deeper voice, so I don't know if that really would that count as falsetto for her? I don't know. But like, even to the point where, like, again, back to the performance part where it's like, it looked like she snapped her fingers right when the music snapped to. That was dope. That was really, really dope. Bring it back. Camera angle, fire. Come on, drone. Dang. Come on.
Друзья, с Новым годом! Желаю вам позитива, радости и больше счастливых воспоминаний в этом году. И, конечно же, с новосельем НТВ!
She killed that. She killed that. I ain't gonna fake it. She really, really did. Come on. Gotta do the Dumbledore. Gotta do the Dumbledore clap. Here's my thing. I love the production, like the audio production, like again adding the reverb and so on, because it almost sounded like, what was it, like a record, like something she may have recorded or something, right? It sounded like something like that. But then also it's like, I really like the performance that she gave too, where it's like I said, where it looked like she snapped like on point, and like how she'll really be into it, like really, really into the performance. And I'm like, yes, that's what I like. I like her because when she's on stage, she gives you the same thing, meaning like she's going to be into the performance. She's always consistently into the performance. That's the thing. And it's like, you could tell she's lost in it. Like, I know we talk about it all the time, but it's just, it's a consistent thing that she does where it's almost like she get lost in the performance and then just be in a flow state. You know what I'm saying? Just going, not really thinking, just in it. You know what I'm saying? Just in it. But like, really good performance though, sis. Really good performance. Let me hit the like button. Also, I hope y'all had a happy new year and a Merry Christmas. I'm about to get up out of here though. Peace, easy, baby. Love y'all.